this is Ivy and welcome back to another episode of Odigo Eats. First of all, our YouTube channel just hit 20K subscribers, so thank you guys for all the love and support. Also, I know that Chris O'Connor has been in most of our YouTube videos, so like and comment down below if you want to see Chris back in another episode. Today we are in Ginza, Tokyo, visiting the only KitKat cafe in Japan. KitKat has a lot of stores all over Japan, from Nagoya, Osaka to even Hokkaido, but this one over here in Ginza is the only one that has a cafe that serves awesome KitKat desserts. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, so now we are on the second floor of the KitKat Chocolatory. Fun fact, actually in Japanese it's called Chocolatory because it is a combination of the word chocolat, chocolate, with factory, which is factory, so it is a chocolate factory. On the first floor you have the, well not usual, but the KitKat Chocolatory limited edition sublime chocolate items. So you got your usual plain flavor and of course the very popular matcha flavor, which I saw today was sold out again. I know a lot of tourists love the matcha flavor and so do I. On the second floor of the shop is the cafe, and you'll see professional pastry chefs hand making all your KitKat desserts. So the first dessert I'm going to try will be the ruby KitKat chocolate. So right here is the very special Ruby KitKat chocolate. Ruby chocolate was actually only invented last year in 2017 and was not open for sale to consumers until January. So this is a very, very new product. I actually heard from the professionals here that Ruby chocolate is made from these unfermented beans that have a natural pinkish red color, hence the name Ruby chocolate. And also this has a higher percentage of cacao powder, so apparently it tastes different from white chocolate and dark chocolate. It's its own special kind, if you will. It's ruby chocolate. Another really cute thing that I found out about the packaging is that if you turn this around, it makes a little like cute ruby chocolate bean, I guess. This is adorable. I'm so excited to try this out. It's not white chocolate, it's not dark chocolate, it's ruby chocolate. All right, I'm gonna open this now. Kind of don't want to wreck the packaging. It is so cute. I think I'll open it from here. Ow, I can't. Ooh, fancy. Look at this packaging. It's pink. It's so pretty. So pretty, I almost don't want to eat it. It says Sublime on top. So Sublime is actually a KitKat series. It's pronounced Saburimu in Japanese, but in English it's Sublime. It's a special KitKat series that you can only find in all the KitKat Chocolatory shops in Japan. Ooh, I love this color. Okay, ready for my first bite. Oh. So one thing I noticed immediately is that it's very fruity. Kind of sweet with a tinge of sourness. It's very fruity. It kind of tastes like berries. Now of course you get like your usual cookies right inside the KitKat. I would say I prefer this over the white chocolate one. The white chocolate one is a bit too sweet for me, and this is just perfect. So one of these ruby chocolates costs around 432 yen, which is around $4, but this is so popular that it has already sold out. So KitKat is coming out with these two packages from February 1st. Both of these packages will have the very delicious Sublime Ruby chocolate in it, and will also contain other flavors such as matcha, bitter chocolate, milk chocolate, and also a new special flavor. So make sure you come to the KitKat Chocolatory starting from February to check these two out. But by the time we upload this video, this product is probably already out, and I assume it'll be very, very popular, so you have to come as soon as possible. my god, do you guys see this? This is like a professionally handmade KitKat Parfait. This is awesome. I think one of this is 1,000 yen, which is around $10, which I think is a totally reasonable price to have my own handmade KitKat ice cream, fruity, creamy parfait. It seems like they have 3 flavors of KitKats here, which I believe is from the I Love Fruit KitKat series. And it looks like they have 3 different flavors of ice cream as well, you know, just to make it healthier. They also put in seasonal fruit, which I heard, you know, is very fresh and healthy, so it kind of balances out the calories. Oh, and they have a little piece of mint on top. This is so adorable. Okay, so let's see, where am I going to start? I think I will start off with the purple one because I've never seen a purple KitKat before. I like how it comes with cream. Ooh, it's kind of sour. I'm guessing this is blueberry. Also, the color is pretty blueberry, so I'm guessing this is blueberry. I'm going to try this pink one. Got a little bit of cream on this side. Look at this. Doesn't this look delicious? Oh, this is definitely strawberry. Oh, I think this is strawberry ice cream too. Oh my god, I'm loving this so much right now. Okay, yellow one. Maybe this is orange? This is definitely passion fruit. This is so cool. I've never had blueberry or passion fruit KitKats before. Stick it back in. Okay, let's go on to the ice cream. This is strawberry ice cream. And right beneath all this cream, let's see, I'm guessing this is chocolate. Oh, look at that, whipped cream on chocolate ice cream. I love this. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in heaven right now. It is so good. Okay, so a bite of ice cream, a bite of KitKat, and a piece of seasonal fruit on chocolate ice cream. The pineapple is actually very sweet as well. Oh my god, I just love all the combination of all these flavors in my mouth. Okay, so my next goal is to find the 3rd flavor, because I think I saw a 3rd scoop of ice cream down there. I want to know what flavor it is. Wait, I think I just ran into some bananas. There are bananas under the whipped cream. Okay, this may be kind of hard to see, but this is a perfect combination of bananas, chocolate ice cream, and whipped cream. I feel like a kid again. This is so awesome. Strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla. And you also have 3 special flavors of KitKats, which is strawberry, passion fruit, and blueberry. Plus, you also get seasonal fruits, which is winter right now, so we got bananas and pineapples. And all of this for only 1,000 yen. Isn't this crazy? Alright, so last of all, I was actually looking forward to this the most, but now I'm not sure if it can top the parfait because it was so delicious. But anyways, right now we're going to try out the KitKat handmade gift box. Well, it's like a handmade KitKat of some sorts, and it's only limited to the Ginza KitKat Chocolatory. I've got some papers with me here. Basically, what you can do is to make your own customized KitKat Chocolatory Sublime Original Message, and you can do this in less than 30 minutes and in 3 simple steps. Well, it's actually 2 steps on your part. The last step is having the pastry chef make it for you, so you only have to do 2 steps. So you write your messages here to your significant other half or to your friends. And second step is you get to choose a design. So you've got what, like 18 designs over here? Well, actually 32, from flowers to smiley faces to diamonds. Oh, but this heart one is so cute. Look at this. So just 2 simple steps. You write out your original message and you choose a design to put on your KitKat chocolate, and just wait 30 minutes and you will receive a customized, special, exquisite KitKat gift box. Only here in Ginza, by the way, so you definitely have to check it out. So I just got my handmade KitKat gift box, and the box itself is so classy and luxurious. Like if you cover the KitKat sign and show this to me, I would think that this was like some kind of jewelry box or something. Ooh. Do you see this cover right here? This is so classy. I like how the logo is printed in the middle. I like the gold on the red. Very Valentine-y. Plus, we're matching today. Look, I'm wearing red because I know this is a Valentine edition. Next is the chocolate. So I mentioned that I liked the heart-shaped design. So I chose the heart-shaped design for my top KitKat and for my bottom KitKat. And in the middle is my special Valentine's Day message, I love you. So we just had ruby chocolate, but what you have inside here is actually white chocolate, so sweeter than ruby chocolate. Usually it would take around 30 to 40 minutes, but if it's really crowded, like maybe right before Valentine's Day, it would take maybe around an hour. So, you know, maybe come here earlier. Don't buy your gift right before Valentine's Day. Give yourselves a few days start. But I think this is a pretty nice Valentine's Day gift. It's kind of thoughtful. It's really sweet because you get to write your own message. Plus, this is only 1,620 yen, which is around $16 to $17, which I think is a pretty reasonable price for a customized gift like this. So, if you guys love KitKats, you definitely have to check out this store, which is the KitKat Chocolatory Ginza main store, just a few minutes walk away from Ginza 8 exit. You can spend a nice day here, do some shopping, get yourself some KitKats, sit here and have a cup of nice matcha. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you want an idea of what other awesome food or restaurants that you should go to in Japan, don't forget to check out our other Odigo Eats episode or check out our Odigo website. Now I'm going to go home and give Daniel this KitKat gift box. I'll see you guys in the next video. So, do you like my Valentine's Day gift?
Oh, is it for Valentine's?
Yes.
I like it.
It's 1,620 yen. Do you like it or do you love it?
I love it. I like it.